Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Okay, so today we will be doing our first stand-up. I'll share my screen. So I'm your Scrum Master for today, and I will be leading. So today, we will start our work with BI development this week, and so first things first. We have to discuss the frequency of our stand-up with our frequency of stand-up. So this is our first initial stand-up, and so how many multiple intermediate stand-ups do you guys want to have? So this is our initial one, and we will have to decide on how many intermediate. It's too fine because I think we have the dashboarding part to do. Yeah, so I think we can have 2 intermediate. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have 2, and we will have 1 final one. So then I think, then we will move on to housekeeping rule. So, any suggestion on how we will do this? Like how to make this project how to put this project into a very good flow? Like, any suggestion? Like, Risky, do you have any suggestion on how we should do this? Like a team rule lah, like how to if like there's any problem faced, then what would you suggest to do?
I don't know. I think Kimberly want to say something.
I think we can use WhatsApp as our first communication platform. When we face any problems, that will be our immediate communication platform.
So so if there's
so if you face any problems or any issues while doing our part, we can always just go through WhatsApp first.
Then I think we have to follow I think another one we should do is we should finish our work on time. We have to follow the schedule. So and then for this, so the Scrum Master, and I think there's one, if you can see here, who will be the Scrum Master? Okay, so for the second meeting, who want to be, for the first intermediate, who would want to be the Scrum Master? Everyone will have to do, because we are rotating. We have 4 meetings, stand-ups. So so who want to go first for the intermediate? Anyone?
How risky is volunteering?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so Risky will do the first intermediate. Then second intermediate, Kimberly or Chen Hong?
I can do first.
Sorry. So, sorry.
Kimberly can do if she wants.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so Kimberly will do the second intermediate, and then Kimberly, and I think the third. So we are left with Chen Hong, right? So Chen Hong will do the last one here. The Scrum Master. Okay, then recording and uploading. Is it okay for you to do this, Chen Hong?
Yeah, sure. Because since I'm already recording.
Okay. So so Chen Hong will do this thing. Okay, so then we are here. So so we are done with 3.1. So now we move on to Scrum board. So so this is our Scrum board. So and let's see. So decide on which card to pull. Okay, so so our this process we are required to do the dashboarding part. Where does it say? I remember it said somewhere here. Yeah, but we are some there. The cards will be tasks under dashboarding. So it's dashboarding is under C and D only. So as you can see, it's here lah, C and D. Where is it? C and E is here to all the way to, yeah, here. So there's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tasks altogether. So I've placed all this here. Okay, so I think we have to split the work.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you guys want to split this? Because from what I was seeing, I was seeing is like C1 to C3 is like 2 plus 1 plus 1 day, so it's like 4 days. Then this one, D1, D2, D3 is like 5 days. And D4, 5 days, D5, 5 days. So I was thinking, if you guys want to split it like one person do C1 to C3, then the other person take D1 to D3, one person D4 and one person D5. Or do you guys want to do it the other way? Any other way that you guys want to do this? Or you guys want to like maybe a mixture, like some people do C1 and then take D2, which I think will be not efficient because you have to pass the work here and there.
I think
So-
one person can finish C1 to C3 because it's quite short. And then like the D part we can split among maybe like 3 person, like what you said just now. So I think that is a good way.
Okay, can. Okay, so now I will split the work and then I'll do this color coded so it's easier. So I'm red, Kimberly will be purple, Whiskey is green, and Chen Hong is blue. Okay, so because C1 will have to start like maybe tomorrow or today after the meeting or when you're free. So does anybody want to volunteer to do C1 to C3 first? Like, does anyone have a deadline to meet the end of the coming week where we will do this part? And so I scared if you have a close deadline, it's hard for you to do the later part. So is anyone not free at the end of this coming week? Like have a very close submission or exam?
I have one next Monday, the deadline.
Next Monday.
Mm.
Oh,
I
so
also
you,
have-
okay, so, sorry?
I also have one next Monday and Wednesday.
Monday and Wednesday. Okay, so so I think it's either me or Chen Hao will be doing C1 to C3. So Chen Hao, you want to do first or you want to later?
I think I'll do later because you do first.
Okay, so if like that, then I'll do C1 to C3. So I'll do this. Then D1 to D5. So C1 C3 is sorry?
Sorry, you go first. Yeah.
Oh no. Okay. So C1 C3 is like planning data scheme, notepad files, and create relationships with the BI. Yeah, so I'll be doing this part with the BI project. Okay, so where is it?
I think it's below.
Sorry. Yeah, so I'll be doing those parts, and then yeah, and you guys can get the data from no. You guys can get remember to download this under the assessment link. There's three files. Okay, sorry, these files have to be downloaded. Okay, so where's my okay. Yeah, so I'll be doing the first 3 parts and then sorry, Kimberly, just now you have a question, I'm done.
Oh, no, I just want to ask like approximately like when can you pass on the
Oh yeah, we will go on with that later. I think we will split the work first, then we go to the working part.
yeah, sure.
So next up, okay, so we have the D parts, we have scope requirements with end user, mockup design, review design, and with end users, create visuals for financial performance, create visual for cash position. Actually, I was thinking I wanted to do D4 or 5 because do you guys have accounting background?
No, I don't
Yeah,
think.
so I wanted to do D4, D5, if I do that, then somebody will have to do C1 to C3 because I think this part will need some accounting. I don't really know. I haven't seen, but yeah. So that's why I was thinking like if somebody will be okay doing C1 to C3.
Does that requires, I mean, I don't have accounting, but I have a finance background, so think
I'm not really sure.
same. Should be okay, I guess.
Okay. So if you guys are fine with it, then you guys so you got you three, which parts do you guys want to take? That's scope requirement with end users, mockup design, review design with designs with end users. So I think we have grouped this up. D1 to D3 1%, D4 1%, D5 1%. Yeah, so
I think I can try 1, 2, 3.
Chen Hong will try 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, because I think the bottom part, I'm not so good at the bottom part, the financial part.
Okay. Okay, then so and then Kimberly and Whiskey.
I
You
think
guys. Okay, if you can see that if we see the
Wait.
timeline, D4 and D5 can start at the same time because you see the predecessor is 24 and 28. So once 28 is done, you two can start at the same time. So we don't have to delay or anything. After Chen Hong finish, you guys can start straight. Yeah, so I think these two can start together. So just which one you guys want to do?
I think before then.
D4. Oh, Whiskey is lagging. Oh, were you here?
Wait. Hello.
Yeah, you're here. Okay. Okay.
Do I need to have like financial background to do
We
D5?
should, I'm not really sure. It sounds like we need lah.
Just so you know, guys, my major is management and marketing. I don't know anything about accounting or financing.
Or do you want to do C1 to C3? Then you can have more time lah there. I think if you have exams, you have what on Monday and Wednesday? Exams is it? Oh,
It's not exams, but deadline for report.
okay. So for Monday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Chen Hao, do you want to? Chen Hao, can you do the first three then? So that after.
Okay.
Yeah, you can ask us for help or if you don't really know.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we put Chen Hong here.
Then I'll do D1 to D3.
Yeah, so I think we will give him like maybe until Wednesday. So when he finish on Wednesday, you can continue. Yeah,
Yeah,
so
sure.
that's after your report submission, right? Yeah, so I think I put this here. Then after you finish, Kimberly and I will start together. She will do the financial performance and I'll do the I'll do cash position. I think this part, yeah, it's more on designs. It says here mockup designs, review designs. Yeah, so I think you are good with that, right, Steve?
Yeah.
Okay. Then this part I think is more on the Power BI working. So I think we are done with splitting the work. So the working part, we have to decide which card to pull from the backlog and prioritize first. So if we see here, we have to start we have to prioritize, of course, 22 to 25 first, because 26 can't be start if you haven't finished this. So I think we should so I think we should prioritize this. Then do you guys have any other suggestion like on which we should prioritize? Right. Okay. So this is the predecessors. You can see the predecessors and duration.
Yeah, actually, I think the D1 could start after Chun Hong finish his plan data schema. You know, his predecessor is 22.
Yeah, you can start after the yeah, you can start, but yeah, I think that we can start. But if you have time now, if you don't have, maybe you be can allow after this finish, then you start the next process. So maybe you can prioritize these two first. This is just if you have time, it's okay. Yeah, okay. Then maybe we put in
28.
C2 and C3 also, right? Okay, maybe we prioritize this, and this we will do later. Sorry, Kimberly, I think you have something to say just now.
I don't know. Now I was saying 28 also because like 28 is which one was it? D3.
This?
Yeah, because it has to be done for the back, like the D4, D5 to start. So I think it's quite important too.
Oh, no, as in, because yeah, it is important, but I think that is for the next stand up. Because because we cannot start without
Yeah,
this part happening. It's like a process, right? Yeah, okay. So I think that one is for later. Okay, then how do I do this? So maybe okay, so how many days to do? Maybe we group this together. Maybe you put here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Maybe you put C1 to C3 all 4 days. So after 4 days, Chen Hong, do you think you can finish all this in 4 days?
So it's on Wednesday, is it? This Sunday.
Yeah, on Wednesday.
I do Saturday. I think can.
Okay, so maybe I put here. Here I put like 4 days. Here 4 days. Oh no. Sorry. 4 days. Here 4 days. So like you'll finish all together lah, if after 4 days. Okay, so okay then I think the risky part, I think after your exam finish, maybe you can take Thursday, Friday. Maybe this one you take, if you start earlier, you can finish it earlier, right? This one, if you have time, this one.
Yeah, to be honest, I think I could start on Tuesday after my Monday deadline finished.
Yeah. So if we overlap this process, I think can you finish by Friday?
Yeah, I think I can.
Yeah, by Friday. So Friday is what date?
Friday is 8.
Friday is 8. Okay. So I put 8. Wait, I'll change it later. 8. So this one maybe Friday 8:10. Okay, I'll do it. Oh, why so hard not standing? So I think then after Friday, then Kimberly we can start. Maybe we try finishing by Sunday night. Is it okay? This we do during the whole weekend. Because I think weekend we don't have classes and all, right? Or do you have events?
I'm not quite sure, but I can try.
Okay, we can try. So I think we try to finish by Sunday, but if cannot, then maybe by Monday night. Yeah, we give ourselves Monday. This one is 9, 10,
Yeah. 9,
11,
10
10
to
or
11.
11.
10 or 11.
So, so we try to finish together as one, then okay, then I think we have to go back to just now where our stand up. We decided on how many meetings, but we did not decide on the
Okay.
time. Cause I wanted to go through this first. So after you guys see this, right, how do you think we should go through our stand-ups? Like when do you want to have our first intermediate meeting? Like you see this and all.
Actually, because the first intermediate first Scrum Master is risky, right? After this one. So I
Yeah.
think can do it after he's done with his work.
Can his work or his exit? Because I was thinking we do after Chen Hong finish.
Yeah,
Then
I also
we
think that.
look through it first. Yeah. Then we
Okay.
discuss and
Mhm.
Then
so if Chen Hong is 4 days means Wednesday 13. So our first one we will do 13 lah, okay?
Yep.
First up.
13.
First up is
13 or 6.
13 or 6?
sorry, 6. Sorry, 6 then. Okay, then then the next one when do you want to do? After Risky finishes or after all of us finish, we go through once, then we do our corrections, then we do final, or do you want to go through Risky, then we straight go to final?
I think it's better to, I don't know, probably until we finish everything. If we want to make corrections.
Yeah, so after me and Kimberly finish,
Yeah.
okay, so we will update our progress update. Okay, 10.
Or
11.
maybe we could have another intermediate stand-ups after. So like first after Chunhong finish, and then after I finish, and then after you both finish, and then we have another final stand-up. So we have three intermediates.
Can. Okay, so if you want to do it that way, then will be Friday night and Sunday or Monday night for the intermediate.
Yeah, I think.
So we put 3 here.
What do you guys think though?
I think it's fine. I think that's a good idea lah. Cause I think the final, we just have to update what we all do, how we fix our work and stuff like that. Should be fine. Okay, so I think we put 8. Then we will have second stand-up. Okay, then we have third. Third will be, we will see our progress and update you all lah. See how on Sunday night or Monday night. 10 or 11, right? 10 or 11. So I think we do it like that. Then the final one, we maybe the other week. What time will you guys be free? This 17 to 23. No, sorry, 10 to 16. If we finish by 10 or 11, maybe on the 13, 12, 13. Are you guys free on Wednesday, 13?
Wednesday 13, yes, sure.
Okay, no assessment or anything, right? Okay, so maybe we have our final on the 13. So I think I will lead the last one lah, the final stand up, I'll do it lah. We rotate. So I think that's all for today. Yeah, so I think after this, the Scrum Master will, like if when Chen Hao finish, we will just move to complete lah, like that for the subsequent Scrum Master. So is there any clarification you all need?
No.
Okay,
No.
so I think we can stop recording, Chen Hao. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.